afternoon. Thank you for joining us for DC News Now at 4. I'm Ben Dennis. Mark Hall will be joining our newscast later this evening.
And I'm Elisa Gale. We start in Maryland this afternoon, where a judge was shot to death in his driveway hours after ruling in a divorce case.
And investigators say that this was a targeted attack. The man who lost custody of his kids in the case is their prime suspect on the run at this hour.
Our Randy Bass is live in Hagerstown, where she's been all day gathering information. Randy, what else can you tell us about the suspect and the judge's connection tonight?
Yeah, Annalisa, learning more about the suspect tonight. He was involved, the judge in this case, Andrew Wilkinson, was involved with his divorce proceedings earlier in the day yesterday. But tonight, though, the mood here in this Hagerstown neighborhood, this quiet Hagerstown neighborhood, even quieter as they mourn his loss, and the search ramps up for the killer tonight. Taking a look at photos now of that suspect and what he looks like and his car at this point. We understand he drives a silver Mercedes-Benz. Police telling us right now he is armed and dangerous, and they want to make sure that message gets out to the community. The suspect in this murder, of course, no stranger to Judge Wilkinson. Deputies say Argote was not in the courtroom yesterday as that case proceeded, but Judge Wilkinson had granted his wife custody of their children during that hearing tonight. The search is on for Argote and his silver Mercedes. Meanwhile, neighbors are rattled after tragedy shook their quiet community.
Argote is not in custody and is considered armed and dangerous. If anyone has information on Argote's location, we ask that they immediately contact local law enforcement.
Horrible. It's hard for us to lose someone like that. You had a husband, and now you don't. You have a dad, and now you don't.
Yeah, and tonight still many unanswered questions, especially when it comes to the search and when it comes to the family of Judge Wilkinson here. I had a chance to talk with deputies and law enforcement earlier today. They're telling me they're not giving any details as to whether the wife and son of Judge Wilkinson might be in any kind of protective custody or under any kind of special protections at this point. That's still unclear. Also had a chance to try and survey and canvass the neighborhood here earlier today and just get a better feel for what's going on. We did see some doorbell cameras on homes here around the neighborhood. Weren't able to get in contact with any of those neighbors, and when we asked deputies about that footage, they wouldn't give us any details as to whether or not they had that evidence in their possession at this point. But still, that search is on for Pedro Argote, 49 Pedro Argote of Frederick, and his silver Mercedes. Police are asking anybody with any information at all to get in touch with them. Live in Hagerstown, I'm Randy Bass, DC News Now.
Randy, thank you. And responses pouring in from leaders today. Maryland Senator Ben Cardin saying in part, quote, "The rule of law is what makes our society work. It may not be perfect, but individuals like Judge Wilkinson work to make it better and more just every day." Cardin offering condolences to Wilkinson's family and friends. And the Maryland court system offering a statement as well. They say they're grieving Wilkinson's loss and that they are actively working with law enforcement to assist in any way necessary and to provide safety and security to other judges and staff members.
Meantime, Randy had mentioned the search for that subject, Pedro Argote. Here's what we know about him this afternoon. Argote is believed to be armed and dangerous. According to the sheriff's office, they say yesterday Wilkinson had presided over a divorce proceeding, which custody of Argote's children were awarded to the woman in that case. Argote was not in attendance for that hearing. Sheriffs say that he's now believed to be driving this similar 2009 Mercedes GL450 SUV. Washington County sheriffs are joined by state police, Hagerstown City Police, and the U.S. Marshals in their search.